Reaper, dog.
Me get a Reaper, but me never hear that sing.
Nice. Kate, I think I got something to think for this one.
King for this as well.
Nigga, look how much man they here.
I love Trackstar builds.
By the way, I'm fighting this. I'm fighting the whatchamacallit person, the upper guy at 1%. So any help
whoever needs the Reaper, just Reaper me.
Alright, but that 4 bars still good.
If you need it, Reaper me. If you don't need it, then do.
Oh my Lord, have mercy.
Man, try save you.
Why the dogs up the feet?
Oh yes, you can get stuck here.
Yo, somebody fight the upper guy. He's playing so weird. And I got hit by fire. And I'm dead. Yo, I'm trying to yeah.
Yo, man,
Yo,
one
try to
leave
pick me
you.
up. Yo, try to pick me up. Trap me up and run in the field. Trap me up and wow. That is gone. Bro, why is he moving like this?
Light skin Dante. Why Dante is not so?
Oh, push over that. Problem. Literally lose a part to that, brother.
But I'm gonna lose 4 bars to that. It can't be the case. You're still. Yo, my dad.
Go on. Go on. You're good. Me do 1 bar, boy. Go on. There you test up. Shit, man. Yo, go up. Go on up. They're right behind you. Yo. Go for the zip line. Climb over the zip line.
My dad.
You getting knocked?
Yeah, I got knocked.
Boy. Oh, you get knocked. Wait.
It's so fun.
Man didn't get knocked. One suck. You get repot, man. Ah, boy, that's open. That's open. You're running from me now.
Get no one.
Now you must spin back, brother. That 1 bar, brother.
Hold on.
Help!
Help him.
Get 3v1. My God, bro, this Topo kid is so ass.
Oh, 7 HP down this ring.
Is it the Vesperian guy that I was talking about earlier?
Oh, shut him out, no Cole.
Nice.
My God, brother, me I get 3v1. Here, swap them when you swap on me, brother. Come back, come down, right behind, under from my brother. Alright, bro. Here, me just have a log off, brother. Literally can't play this with so much people, brother.
That was funny.
My God.
Good man.
No, brother, I'm just come like the worst person of people can't fit, brother. Pure cell on the cell, dog. Me I fight the man a while, the man they jump in. Man that time say, yeah, man come help me, but he slap me with the shadow gun.
Okay. That's even a shadow.
I love friggin' mustard, brother. Man, the worst set of
That's
people on
even
the
a
planet, brother.
shadow gun.
Man, the worst set of people on the planet, brother. But they found 1 bar. 1 bar. And know him low. Know the curve blade is low. Not the curve blade, though. Ice. Friggy nigga low.
They use their own. If anybody
He's dead. Twisted Executioners. I don't know who those guys are. Do we know them?
Yeah, jump though.
Kid, Reaper, kid.
Where they? Where are you, buddy? My dad. But they had the zip line. Remember the rope. But then where they? You still have it?
No, yeah.
You see me?
See.
Yeah, him did low, brother. And shit, that copy the youth, yeah. My God.
Why am I not able to use mantras like I'm beating fighting a silent bro? The game really not that laggy.
Alright, Reaper get cancelled now.
Oh boy. Kratos, I mean that. Yes. Reaper.
He's running to the side. He's running to the left side. He's running to the left side.
Things that you never should. Kratos, that guy so bad.
Oh my God, I'm gonna die. Yeah, he's upstairs. I'm dead again.
Win my fight.
Yeah, I'm not winning no 3v1. Somebody else
Yo,
is.
I'm not sure what. Is that who's in Devil? Oh, that's Krampus.
Yeah, I'm dead. Nice.
Alright.
Man, Mr. Reaper.
Okay, Krampus won his fight.
Oh yeah, I'm winning. So who left?
Okay, he's ready for round 2. I'll fight him. Round.
Even the guy, the blue guy that you told me to chase, he's low. About 2 more people on me. Goddamn, so I died.
You know.
No, 5 bars.
No, good.
Yeah, 5.
Where are you guys?
Thinking, no, good. But that is crazy.
Steven, where are you?
Somebody killed this privilege guy. I'm gonna need a. No, I'll just fight this guy in the meanwhile.
Steven, where are you?
Come on, that spawn, guys. Keep it in mind.
Yeah, where are you, Steven?
I'm at the right side at the road.
Yellow?
Ramadan, follow me.
Marina good?
It's so good. Okay, I'm like 1 bar. Yo, some.
No, shit. Run up, niggas, run up.
Oh shit, I'm like 1 shot.
I'm devious, kid. Yeah, keep them shot down here, so.
Yo, man, pick up the top. Yo, okay.
Steven, ready.
Wait, lunatics are fight. Let's say move it. That 3-way again.
Those guys were fighting me though.
Okay, they're good.
My bodyguard is gonna hit me with shadow gun. That's what he's gonna do. Okay,
I'm getting rid of my sword. Be blending with the wall.
yeah,
Hey, blending.
monster.
I'm not getting it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. I have like 25 campfires.
Hey, man, you go.
Okay,
No, but
Me a 1v2. You go.
I'm thinking your food.
Heal up.
No.
Okay.
Who can goddamn beat Ramadan?
Top of youths here. Oh my gosh.
But I should.
Where are you?
And that was
on.
if I could.
I'm coming to the rest.
It's not that bad.
Wherever
Yeah,
you
you're no right thing.
If I could.
Right, take him,
I cannot ask if I should.
Gurblade.
So one dead.
In this life, you can never.
Who needs Reaper?
Steven, are you
Which way?
Steven don't need Reaper. Steven don't need
What?
Reaper. Who need Reaper? Go very so.
Get.
Where are you?
Sure. I know around. I'll call on my phone. Just be about shit. I don't know.
Yeah, me a 1v2.
Where?
Where?
Top of her mouth.
Oh man. Who are you, man?
One there.
Come down.
Some guy right here started
Are you
attacking
blind?
me.
Come down, I said. Come down. I can't fight up here, son.
Oh my gosh, I'm literally 1 hit. Some mega chase.
Okay, man,
One of them. Yeah, man, Marina, sell. You make grand.
I'm fighting.
Sell. got the biggest seller, brother. Yo, what fuck?
I have fight. What you want to do?
Alright, bro. Next time I go fight. Literally, that's why me even stopping up and the man.
Why the man stop
Biggest
fighting?
seller I need.
We pay them.
I am dead.
Alright then. See if
Yeah. Biggest seller, brother.
no what you want to do. Me I fight 2-1 by himself.
Oh, alright. Not like they fight half
Yes,
one.
sure. If you can get
Yeah, Steven, where are you? Okay.
No, you always someone no more my building come this way. Alright, dog.
Soon coming up.
Hey, some big seller, brother.
I'm dead.
100
Yo,
man.
I'm dead right here, so. Man keep running, I can use healing potions. Man, I run when I use healing potion, brother.
Oh my god. Finally we fight more 10 man.
I am fucked.
Well, back to depths.
If I would break Sunday body, and I would.
Oh my god.
If a man cannot ask the question, I'm screwed. But I'm sorry, you can never get enough.
W must die.
Where everybody else though when I gang thing them.
Like everybody's 2 for 1, I don't know.
No, not Uno me I thought in the server. Literally
I don't
like how long ago.
No, I'm coming. I'm not at the gym.
Oh boy.
I'm facing one
I just got
guy.
hit by Sakuna's fire arrow. That came from nowhere.
This is
I earned it. As I said, we can regroup.
I'll come
Base
back.
race, okay.
No progress from this, brother. No forward, no, brother. I'm coming like something. It can, brother.
Relax, Kratos, it's just for the
No,
1, 2,
bro.
3, 4,
I am
5.
not going to 1v4 while half of the servers must stop.
He's not no.
Half of the servers must
We're outnumbered. We are outnumbered. We're
Yeah,
literally
outnumbered, bro. Yeah, 1v4 and Madden walk past me, bro.
1v4.
Yeah, bro.
So I'm fighting 2 people.
Yeah, 1v4, brother. I fight.
Nah,
fight
bro,
the
kids
North
holding someone,
kid,
bro.
brother. When me and fight a while ago,
Everybody's
one half a man, one half. You can go heal up. Nope. You want to fight?
But they would still focus.
That makes sense. Yeah, see now, 4 man already though. And me already have fight 2 man.
Get 40.
Oh boy.
If you're already low creators, you'd still have to cover your Even still, if you have a 1v1 you're chasing down, I don't know.
I don't want to go up there and chase down nothing. We have fight the Shadow Lunatic Seal and some detonation from the mountain. And then another low table with power with never. I don't know if the server too.
You guys still in the server, right?
Yes.
Oh my. I might have wiped
What the?
the crit blade build.
Nigga, what? Just going to proceed.
It's not that. I'm glitched into the wall.
Are you in combat?
I'm fighting Enforcer.
You're fine.
Get your
Well, I
fight.
should be.